tells us that this is an issue that needed to be discussed. And this is truly a dream come true for me, if you want to know. One of my purposes in standing here is to give a choice to the people of Yolo. I stand here as a witness to a system, a criminal justice system, that for over 20 years I've watched on the front line. And I can tell you firsthand the problems and the successes of that system. My name is Dean Johansson, and I am running for Yolo County District Attorney. And thank you. To introduce you to myself very quickly, I've been a public defender here in Woodland for the last 11 years. Before that, I served as a prosecutor in 2 counties, and I served also as a public defender in San Francisco. I worked as a civil rights lawyer, plus a lot of other things, doing criminal defense. I worked even in the prisons for several years, doing life or parole hearings. I also did appellate work. And what that experience left me with is a understanding that when it came to a place in life that I reached here about 5 months ago, well, more like 3 or 4 months ago. If you told me last year that I'd be standing here, I would have laughed and called you a liar. I had no intention of ever running for anything. And what's happened here is that I was left with in a position where I was ready to leave the profession after seeing so much in the way of people, families that have been destroyed by a system unnecessarily. Now don't think for a moment that I, like you, don't want safety. I raised a family of 5 here in this county. I have a daughter who's still in high school. I don't want my house broken into. I don't want my family being safe or my car, stolen or broken into any more than any one of you. As a prosecutor, I put away quite a few people. I'd say that at least 1/3 of the over 100 jury trials that I've done by this point have been prosecution. There's a place for people that do real harm, and that's jail or prison. But there are so many that don't need that. That's the point here, is that we can do this so much better, and we need to do that. Thank you.